so today we're trying something different. We are testing some storage solutions from Amazon, like, you know, space saving things. Let's go. Number one is the most luxe and high-end little shelf, glass shelf that I bought. So there are a few reasons I bought this. One is I just wanted it for my dressing table to like keep like my little bits and bobbles, like my perfume and, you know, stuff like that. And it matches my jewelry box perfectly, where all my bracelets, earrings and my everyday stuff is. If you guys have seen that in my videos, you will know it's the same thing, like gold rim and glass. Now there are some pros and cons to this. Now the best part about this is you can use it both ways. So you can use it this way or you can use it this way. Interesting, right? This way it's really pretty and nice for like smaller stuff. Like I guess even if you had like a salon, you wanted to display your nail paints, it would be really pretty. I don't know why I gave you that example. This is a strange example to give, but basically like little cosmetics and products look really pretty. So if you want to put like your lipsticks on the top level, some creams and stuff like that, but this way the width is like the height is not a lot, so you don't like a lot of things don't fit in, like even my basic perfumes, my little Clinique acne gel wouldn't fit through, like it was on the edge, like it was still outside. So I guess this way is more functional again, but this way is not really wide also, like it's still like this is the widest part, so like my giant bioderma stuff like that is never going to fit in this. I also do wish that this was slightly bigger, like, you know, in size, like it's pretty small and elegant. It's nice if you have, I guess, a small dressing table, or you want just like cute little setup with few products. For someone that has a lot of products, it's pretty, but it's kind of small. But I really like it. I feel like it works with the whole vibe of like this old world charm that I have going in, you know, all my houses. And I feel like I might even put it in the other house for my perfumes on the dressing table. Let's see. Up next, we have these two. What are these? So these are like, what do you call them? Lazy Susans, I love the term, or like turntables. So you can see they have the, you know, so it basically goes cool, right? So these are the Sasta plastic ones which I bought for like my inside, like to put into the cupboard with products and stuff like that. So the problem with this house is everything is old. Okay, so the storage is not really functional. Like everything, like sometimes the shelves are really like wide and odd shaped and whatever. And whenever I put things in boxes, I find that then you have to remove everything to see stuff. Like you can't just move and pull, like then also drawers and stuff. Like I don't have a single drawer in this whole room, you know what I mean? So in like those cases, these are really helpful because you can just place them, put all your products and then, you know, have access to them without pulling the tray out. You just keep turning it and taking what you want. They are really inexpensive, which is a plus again. I don't really like to see like plastic things out and about. So if I were to buy this for an outside section, I would obviously buy like a glass one or you know, another option that I have, which I will be showing you. But yeah, this is more for the internal storage. It's really great for like all your products if you have like even shelves, because when you have a shelf also, you can't really see the stuff on the back, right? So you don't have to remove this, you just then turn it. And I feel like a lot of beauty bloggers and people who have a lot of like beauty junkies who have a lot of products use stuff like this. This came in white and like a dark browny black. I bought the dark brown because I feel like white is going to get dirty really easily, so got this one. And I just feel like it's a good size, like it's not too small, not too big. You can fit enough products, as you can see. I got two because you could get either a set of two or one, and I just thought like one is like kind of pointless. I could use it in anywhere, in the kitchen, in my, you know, room for my products, all that. So got two of these, and I feel like I'm going to be using these a lot. Up next, we have another Lazy Susan. Now this one is much bigger. It's also wooden. It's heavier than that one. It has like a, I think like a wrought iron, whatever, you know, thing on the side. I actually bought this for a spot in our kitchen, which has like a basket full of stuff right now. And I feel like, you know, it has just some random oil, herbs, all of that. that's not in like stored in like the cabinets and whatever. And I feel like you have to always pull out things to see what is what, because you don't know, and it's on a shelf, so like the things at the back then are not accessible. So I feel like this is really great because this will kind of solve that problem where you just turn it and you can get it. And it's pretty large, so it will fit quite a lot. Like, it's much bigger than the earlier one. Also, visually, it's easier on the eyes than the plastic one. So if you want like a nice one for your dining area or kitchen, this is a nice option. Again, this was not extremely expensive. Like, there are much nicer wooden ones, glass ones, if you want to do it in an aesthetic, really pretty way. This for me was just to get something more functional for the kitchen, but not something ridiculously expensive also, because it's not something that is like, like, oh my god, this is a centerpiece on my table kind of situation. You know what I mean? So this is not expensive, but compared to that one, yes. So yeah, I will say that price-wise, this is not bad for the price and what you get, and it's quite large, so I feel like you'll fit a lot. So I'm happy with this one. Last but not the least, or actually should I say the least, is this one, which I think I am least excited about. So it was one of those shelves, so like basically they had like one which was fixed like this, which is just exactly this size, which is really tiny. Like, it would probably fit like a kitchen cabinet or something of that sort. Or there was this one which is with an extender. Now, I actually thought that the extender is all linked and it's like seamless and smooth like this, but it's not really. You have to actually manually like kind of like put it through, not this way, ulta, this way, and then like, it will sit like this, which is quite big, but it's not really like beautiful looking at all. I mean, compared to the other stuff, honestly. And with the rails and stuff, I don't even know how like functional it will be in terms of, obviously I'm going to use it on my equipment shelf. Like, it's easier for kitchen stuff, I think, if you put like cans or, like bottles and stuff, because it's all like flat and this doesn't really matter. But I actually wanted it for my equipment shelf in my cupboard where I put like my camera stuff and all, because I have a lot of space, but then I don't have like, I never see the stuff at the back. So I thought this would be nice to kind of layer things, and it did the job pretty well. But overall, I mean, I don't particularly love this, and I feel like I could have done without this in my life, if you know what I mean. Like, of all the stuff I bought, this was the least exciting. When I opened it, I was like, oh my god, okay, like, this is not looking great. But if you do have like a lot of big shelves and you want like a layer, like maybe even to store like your handbags and stuff, it could be nice. But yeah, you can also live without it, I guess. Up next, we have these. So now these are not actually from Amazon, these are from Miniso, but I'm just kind of showing these to you for reference. So I also got these. They're like stackable boxes, so you can get as many and stack them, and they're really nice with, the sections. I bought the white ones in this size, and I bought like this dirty blue in a larger size, which are also really nice in terms of if you want to stack stuff and store it, or if you have a lot of small things. These could also be great in drawers. I don't have drawers, so I don't really use them for that. But if you do have drawers and you want to kind of like, put your stuff like that, these could be great for that as well. So yeah, I really love these because I feel like they're functional. You can add stacks as and when you need more. And they are really handy to kind of save, jaga, and work really well to keep you organized. So guys, those are all the storage solutions that I ordered from Amazon and some from Miniso. I really am happy with the Lazy Susans, the turntables. I feel like they work really well. I really also like the glass shelf, even though it's a little bit small for me. The metal shelf, I'm not really loving. Don't really know if I will get a lot of use out of it. I just feel like, yeah, it's there, but I could have lived without it, if you know what I mean. Let me know in the comments if you guys have tried any of these, what you're excited to try as well, and or if you have any more, link them in the comments. I love to declutter and organize, apparently. I have become that person, guys. So yeah, also if you haven't watched Declutter with Cherry, check out the series. We will do a new episode soon, but until then, you can watch the older ones. So yeah, if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like the video, still give it a thumbs up because I ordered all this stuff. And comment below with the solutions that you will be using, the solutions that you currently use, all of that. See you guys. Bye.